ButterBeanz. Then today we're gonna be making pita pocket Mexican style, not Greek style, because Mexican style is my grandma's version. Stay tuned. Okay, the first step you're gonna want to do is you're gonna pour some olive oil in your pan. That's way too much. I can't control it. That's why Mom has to say stop. Now it's gonna put some of our meat, vegan meat. Just pour it in. There we go. That's from some Fajita.
Fajita.
Fajita. See, when poured until it looks good. But not all of this, because that'll be like way too much. So you can use maybe you can use all of it for a giant party with all your guests. If you're just doing the one night, you're just gonna want to add a little bit. Until your mom says stop. There you go. And now let's mix it all together. Okay, so after you mix this up, you're gonna have to put on the stove pot, but they're kids, they can't. I got burned one time. So kids, they can either put it in the microwave or the oven. That's why you see me put it in a glass dish, but not pan. So if you can't find stuff like this kind of meat, you can cut some chickenless patties. That means no chicken patties. Instead of patties, but no chicken. Oh, just lay that down. Or beans. Let's go put the top on so it doesn't dry out. And let's go put in the oven. Okay, now that you cut up your toppings, you're gonna want to. Oh, and your nuggets your meat is cooking. You're gonna want to you can go ahead and make your pocket part. So you want to make sure it was soft and stretchy. So that's because the last ones, they were hard and they're all crumbly, so they fell out. So that's not good. So we have to use, soft ones. And we're gonna just cut it down the middle. There we go. And there we go. Oh, and if you're a little bit little, you might not want to do this. It's like, oh look, I got a fancy purse. Okay, then you're gonna want to put it like that, just like a pocket. That looks so cool. Okay, now we're gonna cut up our toppings or ingredients or toppings. So if you don't have cutted, lettuce, you can just cut it up, and you're gonna want to cut up some tomatoes, and you're gonna want to cut up avocado, and if you don't have cheese that's cut it up, you can cut it up, but we have cutter cheese, and we use cheddar cheese because that's my grandma's recipe. Or you could just use whatever cheese you want. And okay, now, since all our stuff is cooked up, we're gonna go ahead and make our pocket. So, because stuff everything. So I open up that. Definitely don't want to touch that. Big piece, it's so good. I might want to put my fingers out the way of it. meat there. One big thing. Now let's add some cheese. And when I make let's put our veggies in. It's not just salad. Need some more veggies. And let's get salty piece of tomato because I hate tomato. Okay, now the last step, we're gonna add our red taco sauce. That was like a burrito taco thing. Not too much because it would be spicy. Let's close up. Thank you all for watching. Bye. Spicy. That cools me too.